Story 4. Old Man Kangaroo.
Once upon a time, the kangaroo was different. Look, he's got 4 short legs. He's grey and woolly, and he likes to dance on the rocks. He's very proud.
I am a wonderful creature.
At 6 o'clock before breakfast, he goes to little god Nga.
By 5 o'clock this afternoon, I want to be very popular.
Go away, kangaroo.
At 8 o'clock, after breakfast, he goes to middle god Nging.
By 5 o'clock this afternoon, I want to be popular and different from other animals.
Go away, kangaroo.
At 10 o'clock before lunch, he goes to big god Ngong.
By 5 o'clock this afternoon, I want to be popular and different, so the other animals run after me.
Big god Ngong has an idea.
All right. Come here, yellow dog dingo. Run after that dancing gentleman.
What? That cat rabbit?
So Yellow Dog Dingo begins to run after Kangaroo. They run through the desert, then through the mountains, and through the eucalyptus trees, then through the spinifex grass.
Ow! My front legs hurt.
They run through the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I'm hungry, but we can't stop now.
Eventually, Kangaroo and Yellow Dog Dingo reach Wolgong River.
There's no bridge, so I must...
My goodness, it's hopping over.
Kangaroo continues to hop like a cricket.
I'm very tired, but hopping is easier than running.
He pulls up his front legs when he jumps. Then he has a good idea.
I can use my tail for balance.
He hops through the Darling Downs, and Tired Dog Dingo follows him.
Oh, when is he going to stop?
It's 5 o'clock.
Poor Dog Dingo sits down and howls.
Thank goodness that's over.
Ngong is always a gentleman.
Why don't you thank Yellow Dog Dingo?
Thank him? After he chases me all through lunchtime and makes me change my shape completely.
Look, it's 5 o'clock and you're different. So now your wish is reality.
Oh, I'm certainly different, but these legs are a joke.
Ngong lies down in his bath. He's very irritated.
Joke. If you prefer, Dingo can run after you until your legs drop off.
Kangaroo doesn't want to run away from Yellow Dog Dingo anymore.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Legs are legs, and these legs are simply perfect. The problem is, I'm very hungry.
Me too. I'm starving. What can I have for dinner?
Ask me tomorrow. I'm too busy now.
So hungry, tired and dusty, in the middle of Australia, Kangaroo and Yellow Dog Dingo look at each other.
This is your fault.
No, it's your fault.
And they are still arguing.
I say it's your fault.
Why don't you hop out of my life?